Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create a video from a blog in Pictory. So let's get started. To elevate your blog to a compelling video using Pictory's intuitive process, Step 1. Copy and paste your blog into Pictory. Click Proceed to move forward. Pictory's AI works its magic, summarizing your article. On the left, your source article. On the right, the summary. Edit the summary manually. Scroll and click the X icon to deselect sentences. Highlight a sentence to select it. Edit text directly on the summary screen. Reorder scenes easily using the drag and drop icon. Under Scene Settings, choose Auto Highlight keywords for AI or manual keyword selection. Opt for Audio Visual selection. Or manually pick images, then tap on Next. Proceed to selecting a template from the library or your custom templates. Choose an aspect ratio and click Continue to create your video. Turn your blog into a captivating video with Pictory's seamless process. Then, you can edit it according to your style. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.